So I finally figured it out. After a day or so, I haven't been eligible to get volume through my TV, my X900H, while playing PS5 or the brand new Xbox Series X. It's been the pain in the ass, excuse my language, but I've been researching and digging. I even tried a few hours before work. Couldn't get it to work, so I had a few hours to spare right now, and I finally figured it out. So if you're like me and you're having issues with your volume, I figured it out. Okay, sorry for the noise. That's not my lawnmower. That's not my generator. It's my refrigerator. So let me show you real quick. You want to go into settings. Now you want to go into network and internet. You're going to go all the way down until you hit home network. You want to go to IP control. Okay, this right here, this would be normally flipped off like this. What you want to do is turn this on. You want to get your controller. You want to hold this for 5 seconds. Look at that. It's going to restart it. This is pretty much going to be like a reboot of your system. And for whatever the hell reason, somewhere down the line, I don't know what the hell happened, but it kicked my settings to pretty much not to be eligible to get audio, essentially. So if you, here, I'll do it for you guys. If you hold this for 5 seconds, I'll hit restart. It's gonna reboot. And it's such a relief. I'm so glad I figured this out. I mean, I got home from work and I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna spend like 30, 40, 50 hours, I'm exaggerating of course, trying to figure out how to get audio from my Sony X900H. By the way, this is my 65-inch. So I hope this helped. It was a pain in the ass, but we got it to work. This is gonna help with your audio issue from playing your consoles onto your TV. Gonna be doing a short video soon of playing Call of Duty Cold War at 4K, 120 hertz. So stay tuned to that. Hope this helped. Enjoy. Take care.